Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make a different jamun recipe with malai. This tastes so amazing, creamy and juicy. We used to make gulab jamuns in every home for Diwali. I made this from scratch at home without any gulab jamun mix. I did not use any maida or white sugar for this recipe. Instead, I used jaggery and whole wheat flour. Let's jump into the making. First, let's make the gulab jamun mix. I am adding half a cup of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee. I prepared homemade ghee. Check in the description for the link. Mix once and then add half a cup of milk little by little at a time and make a dough. The dough will be a little sticky now. Cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Let's make the jaggery syrup now. In a vessel, add 1 cup of water, 1.5 cups of jaggery. I have used powdered jaggery today. You can use any jaggery of choice. Now the dough is ready for use. Bind it together, grease oil or ghee in your hands and make desired shapes out of it. I made cylindrical shapes for the malai jamun. You can also make our regular round shapes for the gulab jamun. Start heating the jaggery. Once the jaggery gets dissolved, filter it for impurities. Reheat it again and add a generous pinch of saffron for flavor. You can also add 2 green cardamoms for flavor too. I am skipping it. Let it boil until the jaggery turns sticky. I got 8 pieces out of the mixture. Make it without any cracks. Let's fry the gulab jamuns now. Heat the oil till hot and reduce it to medium flame before adding the jamuns. Greasing hands in regular frequent intervals is the only trick for crack-free jamuns. Do not touch the jamuns with the utensil, just rotate the oil. I am not going to reuse the oil, so I have taken very little oil in a saucepan and I am adding only 2 jamuns at a time. See the beautiful brown color we have got in the jamuns? This is the right time to remove it from heat. Do not cook for more time, otherwise it will get more darker. Fry all the 8 pieces in the same way. It takes about 5 minutes. And make sure the jaggery syrup is warmer when you put your jamuns into the syrup. The color depends on the jaggery used. Mine is on the darker side. Drop the fried jamuns one by one and let it sit for at least 2 to 4 hours. The soaking time is needed for the jamuns to absorb the jaggery syrup. Now let's make the malai. Use a non-stick pan if possible. Add half a cup of milk powder and half a cup of milk. Mix it together without any lumps. Let it thicken. The whole malai recipe will take for about 5 minutes only. Now you can see the mixture have thickened. Now reduce the flame to medium. Remove it from heat as it thickens more on cooling down. You can also remove it in the previous stage if you don't want the thicker malai. You need a piping bag for thinner version of malai to fill in the jamuns. After 2 hours, I am going to make the malai jamuns now. The color is dark as we used dark jaggery. Make a deep slit with a knife. Shape the malai to flat ovals so that it fills in easily. And that's it, our delicious malai jamun is done. I have topped it with some pistachios. Let's cut it out. There is no taste difference as we used jaggery and wheat flour. No need of store-bought mix when you can make this delicious, juicy and creamy malai jamuns at home. This is done in a healthier way. One more week to go for Diwali. Try this amazing recipe and comment your feedback. The notes, ingredients and other healthy sweets playlist are given in description. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Don't forget to leave a like button. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.